Hello everyone, my name is Michael Renault and this is my EDI 6508 screencasting video. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to add a class in Edmodo and two resources. As we know, Edmodo is an instructional tool that we can use for distant learning or as a blended approach. So here we go. Let's start off by adding a class. Firstly, we add a class by selecting Create a Class that can be found to the left of your screen. Please select it. Once if we do so, you realize a dialog box will appear which will ask you to name the class to the class. For this class, I'm creating my choice 1. The grade, which is equivalent to third form, will be my 11th grade. The subject, of course, is computer technology, and it's the same computer technology. You can choose to change the color if you want. I'll leave it as is, so it'll create. After creating the class, they will ask you to add your students. By now, you would have already had your students listed, so let's add them. For this demonstration purposes, I will only add 2 students. It is recommended that we also add the student's email address so that they could get the information as they're added to the class. Okay, so once we have finished that, we go below where we add our students. Once we have added the students, we're asked if we want permission for our parents. For now, we will leave it as is, so we'll say maybe later. This takes you to the class. Now we're going to add our first post. As you can see, in Edmodo, it has that social media look. Hence, it's easier for you to add resources, add a status, as well as add any other images that you might want. To do so, there are 2 options that we can choose from. You can choose from the library, which in your profile you might already have files listed there. Today we're going to add our file using the attachment file icon. We then go and add our image, or our first resource at least. For this resource, I'm going to add a cloud image. So I will select that. Because we're using an instructional tool, it is best that we give the instruction a name and cite our resource. So I took the liberty to copy the link beforehand. So this is the name of the file and the link. Copy, we go back and we place it in the at the top, and then we post. So the image is there as well as the name. The students will be able to click on it and it should take them to this image where they will see their first resource. Now let's add another resource. This time we're going to add a video. I did similarly by downloading a YouTube video. So I went attach, select the video. So the video is being loaded there, and I go up to my notepad where I get the name as well as the link. Same process again. Copy and paste, and then we post. Of course, because this video is a bit large, we need to give it time so it can load properly. So you will notice that the video is loading, and as soon as that is completed, we then post. You notice here that the post is not activated because it's waiting for the video to load properly. As soon as that completes, we're going to load this video. And we post. So you will see now that I have the 2 resources, the video as well as the image post here. Well, I hope you guys enjoy my tutorial. Have a great night.